Hello everyone, this is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutLoud.com, and in today's video I will be sharing with you a setup that we are watching for a possible trigger in LVS, and this is the ticker symbol for Las Vegas Sands. We're watching for a daily breakout, and this is a swing trade over $68 with the possibility of continuing higher into the $70, $71, and even into the void of $80. So it has a lot of room to run to the upside. It is a great contender for window dressing for the end of December, and this is one of the reasons why we are having it on our watch list. So the stock has been continuously making higher highs and higher lows, and it is into an uptrend. Therefore, our bias for this trade is long. We're actually looking at a possible break over the $68 area, and when we're referring above $68 area, anything can be accepted between 68.01 and 68.05, but no more than 68.05 because we're eating from those risk levels. The first risk level that we have is at $67.50. On a possibility of a break over $68, we will take this trade long. And like I mentioned before, the projected calculated targets for this trade are $70 and $71. That can actually be realized in a week or 2 weeks. Or if you're looking for a longer term trade, we're looking for $80. And this is for a longer term trade, meaning a month or so, or even more. So with that being said, the risk for this trade is $67.50. A break over $68 will unleash more buying power that may bring more pressure to price and may actually continue its price upwards. On a pullback, if the price gets rejected once again at the $68 zone, because if we look very closely onto the hourly chart, this stock has been reaching the 67.90 level and got rejected. But every single time when it would reach when it would reach the 67.40 area, 67.50 area, it would be bought again. So this is the psychology behind the move. Back into the 67.50, bought back up again. And now it's creating this smaller shelf here into the $60 zone. So what that means is that we're looking for a break and a confirmation over $68. So we're not going to buy it here. We're not going to buy it at 67, 68. We're not going to buy it at 67.50. We're going to wait for confirmation over $68. And like I mentioned before, we're looking for 68.01, 68.02, 68.03, all the way to 68.05. This is going to be our buy zone right here. For the stop, and like I've mentioned before, for the stop, we're going to be looking at this bottom of the range on an initial breakout. So we're not going to be lagging into these lows right here. So keep that in mind. I want to make that very, very clear. There are a lot of traders that are saying that, oh, I could get it cheaper right here. I could jump right into it right here. You can't, because you have to wait for price confirmation. You really don't want to test the market. You want the big institutions to test the market. You want to make sure that there's enough market participation. Volume is looking very good. As of right now, 1.1 million shares traded on the daily chart, which is a positive for this stock right now. So it's so it has a very good volume. All right. So what happens if the trade is not going to trigger? What if we don't see the $68 level? Well, keep in mind that if we are not going to break above the $68 level, if we're going to breach the 67.40 level or 4.1 level, we may have a steeper correction, and this correction may come anywhere in between $66.25 and also $66 even. At this price point, around this location, according to our measured moves, we can see another rotation that can take the stock back up to $68. So this is another zone. If we're not going to get the trigger here, so this is a double trade on a break of $68 or on a pivoting, but you have to wait for the stock to move down. You have to wait for the stock to prove to you that it can pivot in this location. before it rotates and moves back up into $68 on. So this is the trade that we have for you right now, $68. If you would like to hear more about this trade, continuation and updates on this trade, make sure you follow us on our Twitter feed. It is twitter.com/tradeoutloud. We constantly update you on trades and trading ideas throughout the trading day and the New York trading session. Thanks so much for tuning in. Visit us on our social medias as well. Facebook.com/tradeoutloud. And also, if you are interested in our education or any of our services or products, make sure you visit our website. It is tradeoutloud.com. Thanks so much, and I hope you all have a very profitable trading week.